Well, good morning, guys. We're back in the shop as usual. A couple years ago, I put this four-wheeler in the drink ice fishing, and ever since then the winch has not been working properly. So I'm going to make an attempt to throw this little Harbor Freight jobber on there and see if we can't get a little winch going on this machine again. And so it's got some rollers there. Got a little box for your big electricities to do the little electricities. Kind of a, I assume it's probably more of a relay than anything. And then it looks like an inline fuse or resistor of some sort. And then your remote control, extend, retract, on and off in the middle. That sounds kind of interesting to me, especially loading and unloading the four-wheeler in and out of the pickup truck. That might be kind of cool. Throw it in neutral and push a button. So you got that, then you got a little bit of hardware. And the winch itself with a little tether. So it's probably not as good as what I had on there. I had an old worn winch, but we'll just try not to take this one swimming. Hopefully that'll work. Looks to be pretty simple. We got a positive here and a negative there. So see if we can get this old one torn out and put the new one in. Much easier. Okay, so there's the old Betsy. So it looks like this top plate I'm going to pull and try to drill some holes through to mount the new winch on. So I just got this little window here. I'm just going to mark what's in the window area so I know where I need to put my cable. Okay guys, so I've just shoved a fiberglass rod back towards the battery. And I'm gonna tape these onto it, kind of like a fish tape, and we'll just pull it back. And the only thing I'm concerned about is a little bit of heat from the engine, but we will try to make sure the wires are away from that. Give it a little jiggle. Oh man, life is getting good. Now I see wires back there by my battery. Show you what we got here. Now we got these two wires coming up here. We'll keep them away from the engine. And we're back towards our battery bay. And that's a cluster. So we're getting her. Okay guys, I got that hooked up. Let's give it a whirl. I should just put a new battery in while I'm at it, but I'm not going to. Now we got a blue light there. I'm going to hit extend. Oh yeah. Ha ha ha, it's going to work. It's been a long time coming for this old machine to have a winch again. I mainly use it for my snow plow, just to lift it up and down. Okay, I'll just mark some holes here for this winch to be drilled in. And we'll get to her. Okay guys, so what I did is put a couple washers underneath there, kind of shim that thing down so it wouldn't hit this brace over here. Okay, so now I'm going to wire this baby up. Well guys, I think that one's in the books. So thank you for joining me. Ended up being a little bit more of a pain than I wanted, but it's in now, and we've got a new winch in the house. We'll take it. Catch you on the next one.